Hi guys, in the previous video did you see that I was not able to connect my phone using my app to this device, even though this is solid red, solid blue now. I think I entered the wrong password. I'm gonna enter the correct password now and see if I can connect to this now. So this is going. LED is blinking there. Oh, looks like it got connected to my circle device, so it should be connecting now. Oh, it's blinking green now. Something changed. Solid green. Here you go. Yeah, solid green. It says you have successfully connected your device to your Wi-Fi network. Now let's connect your device to your garage door. Okay, next. I have already showed you that there was a pull tab here. I pulled it out already, so this thing is gone. This is the sensor. Firmly pull your sensor out of the door sensor. Okay, I did that. Now it says push and release the button on the front where the arrow indicates, so which is, there are three dots here over here. Push and release the button on the front. Okay, I saw the red thing appeared here once. Push and release the button on the front where the arrow indicates. You will see a red LED. I did see that. Say next. Next step, we will pair your door sensor to your smart garage hub. Tap next to begin. All right. Let's see. App. Okay, now I see green LED and orange LED. I hope you guys can see it too. Okay, it says now push and release the button again to complete the pairing. So I have to do it again now. Here you go. There was a light blink. Oh, we were unable to pair. So I think it, let me try again. Move it here. It says we were unable to pair. Try again. Push. Okay. Red LED. Yeah, I did see that. Say next. A bright line will flash in the middle of this one. Okay, that happened before, but let me try again. We'll pair your door sensor to your smart garage hub. Okay, next. Okay, press it now. Yeah, I saw the LED blinking here and gone, and I do see green LED still there. I think I was a little bit out of sequence pressing these buttons in time. It's going. I don't know if I'm supposed to press it again. Oh, no. We're unable to pair your door sensor. You're smart. Okay. Okay, I think I will start over, but in the next video.